The new Mazda 3, the sedan and the hatch, both offer passionate qualities in a segment that demands individuality. The Mazda brand emotional traits have triggered a particular lifestyle, our lifestyle, that pursues the awakening of your five senses through owning a piece of art that holds a story of creation worth telling around you, which is a rich existence and is not the typical opulence the premium market would outline, but instead, it's an inspiration to live above through purity and understanding the value of human brilliance. So how could those two vehicles, a sedan and a hatch, result in such remarkable allure? And the answer lays in the body reflection, which unveil astonishing light and shadows when the car is in movement. And that particular effect captures and seduces the eye. So now I would like to welcome Tsuchida-san, the chief designer of a new Mazda 3, who will go deeper into the exterior design analysis.
Based on our two vision models, we designed this sedan to be an authentic one with mature beauty, while hatchback to be sporty and alluring. They both share same name Mazda 3, but sedan and hatchback have completely different proportions and characters. We aim to achieve the beauty of genuine proportion by reducing the typical weight movement seen in the commodity market, for a more horizontal and stable gesture essential to more established positioning, well understood and applied through the vision coupe. And the body side with subtle and gentle reflection to feel the beauty. Up to now, the sedans in the C segment were far from being beautiful. But this new sedan will attract people who have an established sense of beauty. Wide and low proportion for both front and rear design to get the feeling of confidence. This gives more sophisticated and elegant feel compared to previous model. Now, let's move about hatchback. This proportion is completely opposite from the sedan. We have a maximized dynamic and sporty impression by having all the elements pulled inward to make the condensed feeling. Without using sharp lines, the feeling of energy was created by reflections. This beautiful body side can be seen as a piece of art that evokes alluring beauty of RX vision. The most distinctive point is its rear design. Having a shoulder is a normal in car design, but we challenge the new form by treating the cabin and the body as one, so that the overwhelming the power of mass and the strong stand would stand out. Has anyone seen anything like this? It is a very unique form you can't find in any other cars. Our hatchback separates itself from conventional one. Our primary color is, of course, solid crystal, but we created a new color called polymetal gray, exclusively for the hatchback. This color accentuates the beautiful reflection of the body, which is a characteristic to the new generation design and is intended to express the fusion of glossy, liquid-like texture of resin and hard metal. It looks almost flat and solid in the shade, but once under the sun, it stands out with a strong metallic look. This color has a unique and new feel. For this special event, we prepared an accessorized version. We will be in the market for sale. Also, this red interior is developed only for the hatchback. The refined but passionate interior echoes its emotional exterior. I believe this combination will attract creative people.